Okay guys, I'm showing you how I color correct underneath my eyes. So if you have any dark bags, this is a easy two-step process that I do regularly. So I start out with my NYX Peach Color Under Eye Corrector. You can apply it with a sponge or your fingertips. I sometimes do a combination of both. So this peach color is going to really neutralize the dark circles. I'm kind of rubbing here, but you more want to be dabbing. That's going to be more gentle around your eye, as well as like warming up the product is going to make it really emulsify into your skin. So leaving it looking more natural and kind of melted in rather than just sitting on top. Then I take this Age Rewind concealer. You guys, this is a classic concealer, super affordable, and just the coverage on it and color correcting that it does is phenomenal. So you don't need it to get a really expensive product to get the coverage that you want. So again, I'm using a combination of my fingers, the sponge tip on it, plus the sponge that I have on hand. Applying it, I like to do almost like a glasses shape circle around my eyes to get a overall glow all the way around, and then I'll actually apply it to my target areas on my chin and forehead. Great two-step to brighten under your eyes. Check it out.